Want to know how to save money by using Money Manager? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save your money just by using Money Manager and give you some tips on it. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to not forget to add daily transactions even a little bit. So even if a little bit of money is spent on any groceries or any small items, you need to just simply store on it, even though it's daily or weekly, so that you can get your finances right where you have spent the most and least as well. So next thing, you need to keep a budget. So for that, just simply head to a total here on the top, and here you can just simply see budget right here. So you can see your total budget. So make sure you do not cross the total budget, or else your savings can be gone as well. So you can just simply head on to the budget settings and just simply add the budget by selecting this plus icon on the top right side, which should work on saving up your money easily. So you can also see your calendars for daily income and expenses, and monthly ones as well, get your reports, and you can just simply save accordingly every single month. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.